Hey everyone, welcome to another intuitive What I Eat in a Day. I have all of the recipes, meals, and whatnot down below in the description, so you can catch that there. After my first coffee, I had a protein shake, the same chocolate protein powder that I usually have every morning, but this time I added a banana in there and then still added in the biotin. Last night we had Chipotle for dinner, so I got some leftovers for lunch today. Doesn't look super cute, but it is still delicious the next day. So I heated up a tortilla with it. And my order, this is white rice, double black beans, sofritas, the tomato salsa, and then I choose between the red or the green chili salsa, depending on my mood. And then the roasted chili corn salsa, romaine lettuce, and guacamole. And sometimes I can down the whole thing at dinner, but it depends what I ate that day, and we usually get chips with it anyway. So if I end up having leftovers, yay for me the next day. I love having leftovers, easy food. A little pick-me-up, having another coffee before my workout with full-fat oat milk. So today's workout was an upper body workout, and after that I had a little snack of cherries, strawberries, cashews, and chocolate. It is such a good combination to pair chocolate with, say, your favorite nut and some type of fruit. Depends on the seasons. Berries pair very well, of course, with chocolate. And then I like cashews. You don't want a distinctive nut. You want a nice, buttery nut. Ran to the store to pick up some nuts and liquor and some other items. And so today, having a little drink with some of this random lime chili nut thing. It's pretty good. Good bar snack. And then dinner is actually quite similar to the last What I Eat in a Day video. It's just a salad with a cheesy thing and vegan sausage. So this is a little Greek salad. We've got some cucumber, red bell pepper, red onion, green onion, grape tomatoes tossed with a Greek dressing. And it was decent. It wasn't amazing, but it was, it was a good, healthy little side salad because then we had some mac and cheese. This Annie's vegan mac and cheese really gets me. I don't know. I just really like it. So we've been having it, and I was craving it tonight. Had it with some vegan sausage, which I'm actually a big fan of the Impossible sausages, the hot Italian ones. They're pretty good. So yeah, that's the What I Eat in a Day. And I will see you guys in the next one. Bye for now.